Hey everyone, Mike here with another tech tip. The clock is ticking. On October 14th, 2025, Microsoft is officially ending support for Windows 10. And no, this is not just about missing out on new features. It's about leaving your business exposed to real risks if you don't act in time. Let's break down what end of life really means and why upgrading is not something you want to put off. So what happens after October 14th? Microsoft will stop releasing security patches and bug fixes for Windows 10. That means any new vulnerabilities will go unpatched, and cyber criminals are aware of this. Even if your systems seem fine, they'll become easy targets. Here's what's at stake if you delay. Cyber threats. One unpatched machine can open the door to malware or ransomware. Compliance issues. Many industries require supported systems to pass audits. Workflow disruptions. Over time, more software and hardware will stop working with Windows 10. Costly breaches. According to IBM, the average cost of a data breach last year was $4.9 million. And upgrading is not always plug and play. Some older devices don't meet the hardware requirements for Windows 11. Others rely on legacy software that may not be compatible with the new OS. So how can you prepare? Audit your systems, find out which devices are still running Windows 10 and whether they're compatible with Windows 11. Test your business apps, make sure everything works as expected in the new environment. Create a phased rollout. Start with your most critical systems and upgrade in stages. Lean on your IT team or provider. They can help with planning, testing, and deployment. Bottom line, don't wait until the deadline is breathing down your neck. Start planning now so your business stays secure, compliant, and disruption-free. We'll see you next time with more tech tips.